Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to install Claude Code freely unlimited on our machine. Open any browser, search Claude Code, Claude Code Linux. Open the first link, copy the command. So this will install Claude Code on our machine. So you can see that Claude Code is successfully installed. Just run this command on our file. Add at the end. Now we can run the command Claude and it will, we can say we successfully installed Claude Code on machine. Visit OpenCode, click on the first URL, go to Zen, getting started with Zen, continue with the Google, do not click on enable labeling, go to the API keys, this is the default API keys, let's create API key, test, open Visual Studio. Open Claude Code folder. Open JSON. Copy this content in the JSON file. Content. Now change the Anthropic API key with the our API key. go to OpenCode. This is just we created for testing. Copy and add it and then save. Okay. Now close this file. Open the terminal. Hmm. And then just run the Claude. Choose your accordingly. Now you can see here, we see that we are custom API detected and you only use API key. We click S, then S, yes, make it no exit. Okay, so go to the home directory, create directory Claude Code free. Go to Claude Code free. Okay, now again run the Claude. Okay, now we'll use this folder as a project folder for the Claude. And now you can see we are using Minimax Mac M2.4 model, absolutely free. Now you can type anything. Hi. Now open the folder. Open the new terminal. Run code. You can say hi. Since this is the free LLM model majority of people use, so we may get the response delay. But this is how we can install the Claude Code freely on the local machine.